Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable background sounds on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Here we'll show you two ways to turn on or turn off background sound. The first way is using the settings app. So for that, go to the settings app. Now in the settings app, scroll down, tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, scroll down and under hearing section, find the option audio and visual and tap on it. In the audio and visual, tap on background sounds, and from here you can enable or disable background sounds on your iPhone 14. You can play background sounds to mask unwanted environment noise. These sounds can be minimize discretion and help you to focus, be calm or rest. You can use background sounds for those kind of situation. And when you turn on background sounds, from here sounds you can select the sound you want to use. There are many sounds: ocean, rain, stream, balance noise, park noise, and from here you can just volume it up and down. And here you can you can simply as well use when media is playing, when it is on, when you play something on YouTube, Spotify or anywhere else, you can as well play this as well, like this for example. Maybe for example, when you play music, it the background sound will be there as well. So as well, there's an option that if you want to stop sounds when locked, like here when I enable it, now when I lock my iPhone, it will stop the background sound. So that's it. The second way to enable or disable background sound is from the control center. So for that you have to enable the hearing to your control center. So for that, go to settings, scroll down, tap on control center. In here, under more controls, is find the option for hearing and tap on the plus sign, and this will be added to your control center. Now go to your control center and tap on it, and from here you can turn on or turn off background sound on your iPhone 14. So that's it. That's how you use background sounds on your iPhone 14 and how to turn on or turn off this on your iPhone. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.